Navigating through challenges. Understanding in the weeds. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in casual conversations. The phrase is, in the weeds. If you've ever felt puzzled about what it means and how to use it effectively in your English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's unpack the meaning together and explore some examples to help you master the art of using in the weeds. The phrase, in the weeds, is an idiomatic expression primarily used to describe someone who is deeply overwhelmed or caught up in details or problems to the point where they cannot easily extricate themselves. Originally stemming from restaurant slang, where servers might find themselves too busy with orders to pay attention to anything else, the phrase has transcended its culinary origins to be applied in various professional and personal contexts. To truly grasp the versatility of in the weeds, let's look at some examples across different scenarios. In the workplace, imagine you're working on a project with multiple tasks and deadlines. If you're focusing so much on minor details that you're losing sight of the overall objective, you might say, I'm really in the weeds with this project. In personal life, when someone is going through a lot of personal challenges or complications, they might express their feeling of being overwhelmed by saying, lately, I've been in the weeds trying to sort everything out. In academia, a student might use the phrase when they're deeply engrossed in research or studying, indicating they're so involved in the intricacies that it's hard to focus on anything else. I've been in the weeds with my thesis research this week. Understanding how to incorporate in the weeds into your conversations can enhance your English communication, especially in informal settings. Here are a few tips. Use it to express feeling overwhelmed or bogged down. It's suitable for both professional and personal contexts, but it tends to be more informal. Pair it with details about what specifically is causing this feeling to provide clarity to your listeners. In the weeds is a colorful expression that vividly describes the feeling of being overwhelmed or deeply engrossed in complexities. Whether you find yourself in the weeds with work, studies, or personal challenges, knowing how to express these feelings in English can be incredibly useful. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together.